Okay, we have a Metabo grinder. Last was in April 2016. It's now January 2017. Go over the basic things to look for on this bad boy. Take out these three. Let the spring lever hold that one. Pop this off. Most of the time the grease dries out, as you can see, kind of empty in there. We'll put some more in. T25 still. Take out these three. Pop the cover off. You can see that the brushes are worn down, and that's why she wouldn't run. Switch to T20. Why they couldn't use the same size fastener, I have no idea. Remove the cord so you can remove the back cover. I always check for this to be cracked. Look for debris and crap under here. And then make sure she holds. Put pressure against this. Make sure it holds. Check the cord. This one's got some goofy stuff going on. We'll change that. And we'll change these brushes. Pretty damn worn. No button pop though. Armature turns okay, it doesn't make any weird noise, so we'll just leave it in there. Take the cord out. Put your pin in alongside of it and wiggle while you pull. Wiggle while you pull. Those things tend to wear out too. Check the condition of this guy. We'll just replace it because they're cheap. Brushes, cord, and sleeve. And of course the dried out grease. New sleeve, don't forget that. It's frustrating when you got it all back together and realize I forgot to put the damn sleeve on. This is 16 gauge. I set my client at 14. Pop a little off. Always use flux paste. A lot of people say it's in the solder, you don't need it, but I find it just works better every time. Flux paste, twist. Like to wipe it off. Push them in. I said in. A little tug. Make sure they're going to go anywhere. If they go somewhere, the little tabs inside have broken off, and you probably need to replace the switch. Sometimes you can go on through the side and bend them back out, but most of the time they're broken. Got the new brushes. Sometimes you get lucky and pull out the old ones, the spring will just shoot to the side for you. get lucky. Before I put the handle on, we're going to test it. See it sparking there. What we're going to do is take the commutator stone and find a good spot to get at the motor. I might have to sharpen this stone. Damn it. That was going there. So we're going to run it. When I hit it with the stone, you could hear the RPMs go up. That's what we want. And we'll grab the Metabo grease, putty knife, make sure it's clean, stir it up. A little dab will do ya. Always clean the lube off your tool when you're done using it. You don't want to get any infections. And check for this to have lots of wobble, because this bearing will go out. It's part of an assembly. You have to replace the whole flange. Remove this with a 13mm. Take it out, punch the shaft out, put it all back together in reverse order. There's also a shim here. Make sure you put that guy back in if it's not sitting there. Boom. Back to T25 temporarily because I didn't do the ding cord thing first. Let's go. I was like tightening the crisscross pattern. Back to T20. Put this guy on, make sure he's lined up where he needs to be. These tabbies go under here. And this thing came misaligned because I was trying to show you. There we go. Snaps back. And look, the black guy came out. You son of a... Push it down in there further. That's good now. Tuck the cord in there. Put the sleeve in place. Because once you have the retainer down, it's kind of a pain in the arse. And the sleeve. Tighten not too much. Strip it out, you gotta go to the bin and look for a bigger screw. And there's a little wire keeper over here. Hopefully y'all can see it. Not super important, but okay. Let's do the opening first. Usually give the old Bruce Lee something right. Usually it's the switch moves or something, because I can wiggle a little. Get out of there. Jeez. You'll want to cooperate with me. Back to T25. And final test result. And that's a good old style Metabo grinder for you.